Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to delete undeletable files. To do this you do not need to use command prompt, because sometimes if we use command prompt some command, it doesn't work. You can use a teeny software which is unlocker, yeah, it is unlocker software, and its size is very small, 1.02 MB approximately, and it is very useful. Personally, I use this software to delete my undeletable files. For this tutorial, I make a demo folder which is easily deletable, but I make this folder for this video, and you can find this download link in my video description, so don't worry about the software. So now I will show you how to delete the undeletable files or folders. My folder name is new folder 2, and here I will select the new folder 2, and this folder contains 3 images. And now I selected this folder, new folder, and click the OK, and here no action. As I want to delete this folder, I will select the delete option and then click OK, and the object was deleted. And you clearly see that in my desktop the new folder 2 is not available right now, and that means it's deleted. So this is a simple way or tricks to delete any undeletable file.